Every iPhone user should do this at least once a week, but almost nobody does. Turn off your iPhone for a few minutes and then turn it back on. Let me explain why this actually matters. I use my iPhone every single day, just like you. Apps stay open in the background, the system keeps running, memory fills up, and over time, your iPhone can start feeling slower or glitchy. When you restart your iPhone, it clears temporary memory, stops background processes, and gives iOS a fresh start. That's why, after a restart, your iPhone often feels smoother and faster. Now, the first reason is security part, which is very important. But this is not just about performance. Restarting your iPhone is also good for security. A full restart can stop certain background activities and helps the system reset itself. That's why many security experts recommend restarting your iPhone regularly, at least once a week. The other reason is glitches and battery. If your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or apps act weird, a restart can fix that too. And when your iPhone is fully off, nothing is running, which means no unnecessary battery drain during that time. Then comes how often and how long should we do that? So here is what I recommend. Once a week, turn off your iPhone for about 5 minutes, then turn it back on. That's it. Simple, but very effective. Try this for a week and tell me if your iPhone feels smoother. Follow for more iPhone tips and tricks you should actually know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.